Well, HMD has gone bold and they've launched their new smartphone, the HMD Fusion. You know what's so special about it? Well, the camera capabilities first. It has dual 108 megapixel rear camera, and the front camera for the selfies is 50 megapixel. Well, it doesn't end here. It's got more. It got two outfit with it. This is the flashy outfit is what we're calling, and this is the gaming outfit. What is it? We'll tell you more about it. So like we told you, HMD Fusion smartphone that comes with customizable accessories are called smart outfits, which enhances its features. And yes, this is something which is very new and interesting. So this is the flashy outfit is what we're calling it, and this comes with something very extraordinary, which is an RGB light at the back, and as soon as you go to the camera of the smartphone, we switch it on and we have the light, the RGB light switched on, and then this is perfect for the selfies. Also, the best part is that when you're clicking the selfie, you can also customize it with about 16 million color combination that you get. Now, isn't that amazing? So when you're clicking a selfie, even when it is a low light, this will be the solution for the low light and give you a perfect selfie that you want. Well, I've been using it for the rear camera also, and it gives fantastic results. Not just this, it has another outfit, like I told you. This is for the gaming, and this is the gaming console which is given along with this. It's kind of a gaming pad, that is, and we just put the phone on it and you can start playing. Well, that's not all. The last thing that I need to tell you, which is very, very amazing. What's the best part? The right to repair. Yes, with that you can actually take a screwdriver yourself, open the screws of this phone and change the display. And well, as you can see, it's connect, play and fun. Well, that's possible because you can actually connect the whole gaming pad with your television and play the games right here. What better deal than this? Talking about the phone specs, it is powered by Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It operates on the latest Android 14, and users can expect 2 years of updates for the operating system and 3 years of security support. On the display side, the HMD Fusion boasts about 6.56 inches screen that offers bright and clear visuals with a smooth refresh rate that makes scrolling and gaming feel seamless. Also, to tell you that the phone is quite sturdy and a very perfect fit for the hand. Talking about the cameras, it features 108 megapixel main camera for stunning photos and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for better focus. For selfies, it has a whopping 50 megapixel front camera that ensures sharp and vibrant images like these. Notably, the design of the Fusion allows for easy repairs. Users can replace parts like the screen or battery using just a screwdriver with a toolkit that you can purchase from the Nokia website. Well, what's this repair system? Check it out. So HMD ने लॉन्च किया अपना नया स्मार्टफोन which is HMD Fusion, और out of all the features जो इसमें है, सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग है राइट टू रिपेयर. क्या है ये राइट टू रिपेयर? आइए जानते हैं. कमल जी हमारे साथ हैं, वही बताएंगे कि क्या है ये राइट टू रिपेयर. कमल जी.
मैम, ये चीज़ पहले तो टूल किट मिलेगी आपको hmd.com से परचेज करनी पड़ेगी. 1999 के GST
1999 की टूल किट है. ओके, और इसमें GST अलग लगेगा. ओके,
GST है.
ओके,
और इजी टू रिपेयर. वहीं पे आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको सारे मैनुअल मिल जाएंगे कैसे आप रिपेयर करना है. 4 चीज़ आप रिपेयर कर सकते हो. बैटरी, चार्जिंग पोर्ट, डिस्प्ले और रिंगर बॉक्स.
ओके,
ये 4 चीज़ आप रिप्लेस कर सकते हो घर पे इजीली रिपेयर कर सकते हो. बाकी वीडियो आपको मिल जाएगी, PDF में आपको मिल जाएगा कैसे आपको ओपन करना है. बाहर 16 स्क्रू है T5 के. वो जैसे 16 स्क्रू आप रिमूव करोगे, बैक कवर है, हल्का स्लाइड करोगे फिंगरप्रिंट के FPC ऐसे 16 स्क्रू आप खोलोगे, हल्का यू करोगे, ये FPC ये केयरफुल खोलनी होनी है. कट गई तो फिर दिक्कत होगी. हल्का रिमूव करके फिर इसको रख दीजिए. अंदर सारे T4 हेड के स्क्रू है. 3 स्क्रू ऊपर, 3 नीचे है. अगर मदरबोर्ड इशू है तो 3 स्क्रू ऊपर. बाकी चार्जिंग पोर्ट रिप्लेस करना है तो 3 स्क्रू रिमूव करेंगे, नया पार्ट आप लगा सकते हैं. बेसिकली आती है 4 इशू ही है.
HMD Fusion offers Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, AGPS, OTG, USB Type-C port and Wi-Fi 802 and more. This includes various sensors for features like facial recognition and fingerprint unlocking. The phone is equipped with the 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging and lasts through over 800 charging cycles, meaning it's built to last. Its dimensions make it comfortably portable and weighs just about 200 grams. This combination of features makes the HMD Fusion a good choice and a sturdy choice for anyone looking for a reliable smartphone at a very, very decent price. And you know what? The HMD Fusion is surprisingly priced at 15,999. Amazing, right? And yes, you get these outfits along with it. And this is an introductory price right now, but otherwise, if we talk about the pricing, it's 1799. But why do we wait until then? Let's just buy this right now. That's the deal price, steal deal, and worth the money that this phone is.